Hello guys, all of you, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you some exercises that are really helpful for your body. And these exercises are better for the muscles that are present between the ankle and the knee joint of your body, and the cinemes muscles or the calves muscle. And so let's see the exercise, and all the exercises are very important, and today's exercises are going to very easy. And this is the fourth technique of the uh, exercise of your thighs or the legs. So let's see the exercise. So the today's first technique is just to uh, aim in this position and just to sit in this shikodachi position. In karate we called it shikodachi, and in English it is power stance. See, first to stand in this position and then come like this, again up, then again down, then up, then again down, then again up, then again down, then up, then again change your direction, then down, then up, then down, then up. Like this you can do this exercise, and these exercises are really helpful for your thighs, and also for the calves or the cinemes muscles, or the muscles that are present between the ankle and the knee joint. So again, see these exercises. Like in first count you can do this technique like 1, then up, 2, up, 3, up, 4, up. And these exercises are really helpful for your muscles that are present between the ankle joint and the knee joint, or the calf muscle or the cinemes muscles. And these are these muscles, for these muscles, and also for your thighs. And these, or I think all of you know that these muscles are called cinemes muscles or calf muscle. This, see this, from ankle from knee joint to ankle joint, this portion's muscle is called calf muscle or cinemes muscle. And see, again I am seeing this exercise. First here, and then count 1, down, up, down, up, again down, up, down, up. Then in this type you can do this exercise, and these exercises are really helpful for your fitness of your body. And these exercises are also helpful for your thighs and the cinemes muscles or the calf muscles. So all of you try to do this exercise for 20 times daily. And I already told that today's exercise will be very much easy, and you can need to practice more and more these techniques. So now there is nothing to talk about. Today's second technique, and this exercise is very much easy. And this exercise just to stand in this position, in standing position or in attention position, what you can say. And now you can just take your hand at the back of your head or here, then just to lift your heels like this, then count for 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And see from this side, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And like this you can do this technique exercise. And this exercise is very much easy, I know that. And all of you try to do this technique for 20 times, and after doing this exercise you can feel an intense pressure at the calf muscle or the cinemes muscle. And this exercise is very much easy, I know that, and there is nothing. And all of you remember that in this technique you must maintain your balance, or you can fall, or you and you need to make a good balance for this technique, or you can down your heels, what you can. And in this technique you can also be a good for doing balance, and you can make your balance more better. And so there is nothing to talk about in this technique. And now the next technique, the third technique, and this technique is also easy. And I already told that today's exercises are very much easy, and these are effective for your fitness of your thighs or the calf muscle or the cinemes muscle. And the third technique, that is to simple jump like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. And in this technique or in this exercise, you remember that you should not do spot jump. And I think all of you know that spot jump is like this. And you should not do spot jump, and but to do only to do the simple jump, and not very much high jump, and just simple jump like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Like this you can do this technique, and this exercise is very much easy, and there is nothing to talk about in this technique. So now the next technique, fourth technique of today, that is just side jump. And this jump is not side jump, you can do this technique in every direction. Like see, like one count, 1 2 3 4. And in this technique, see, and if you do this technique for in or in another direction, then you should do like this, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, and you should round your leg from this side to this side, or clockwise or anti-clockwise. Like I am doing this in a clockwise, like 1 then 2, means see, from first in this way, then this way, then again this way, then this way. Or you can do in this way, or in this way, then this way, then this way. It's not a matter, I don't care it. And this is very important technique for the fitness of your body. So nothing to talk about in this technique, so I am ending the video here. And if you get some important technique or exercise in from my video, then press the like icon, and please subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get the notification of my video, and this gives me more energy to do video. So thanks for watching my video. So I am ending this video here, and see you in the next video. Bye guys.